Welcome back to Overheat. Newmar Dutch Star 2026 class, known for its great performance, comfort, and luxury. The Dutch Star is a Class A diesel pusher motorhome. Target market: designed for seasoned vacationers looking for a high-end, feature-rich camping experience. Reputation: the Dutch Star is one of the most sought-after motorhomes available, since Newmar is renowned for its inventiveness, excellent construction, and meticulous attention to detail. Anticipated features and specifications: engine and chassis, probably a tough Freightliner or Spartan chassis, built for steady, long-distance travel. Strong Cummins diesel engine for best performance in a range of road conditions, probably for 150 horsepower or more. External: modern, aerodynamic lines have been used to update the outside design. Complete exterior painting with striking graphic designs and a variety of high-end color options. LED exterior lighting provides improved visibility and aesthetics, such as headlights, taillights, and accent lights. For a cozy outdoor living space, an electric side canopy and an automatic entry door with a canopy are included. Roomy cargo storage area with convenient sections. Interior: a range of floor plans to accommodate various needs, with opulent and roomy interior layouts. High-end components including solid stone countertops, fine hardwood floors, and real leather furniture that has been specially designed with comfort and attention to detail. A cutting-edge entertainment system featuring Wi-Fi, a high-end sound system, and several LED TVs. A completely furnished kitchen with stainless steel appliances, such as a dishwasher, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and full-size refrigerator. An opulent bathroom featuring a porcelain toilet, a huge shower, and two basins. A cozy master bedroom featuring a TV, plenty of storage, and a queen or king-size bed. A complex climate control system that includes several heating and cooling units. Cutting-edge features and technologies with a big touchscreen. The infotainment and navigation systems are integrated.